What if a car from the 1950s got a second life, reborn not just with new technology, but with a completely futuristic identity? What if a design that once turned heads in the streets of Rome and Paris returned in 2026 to dominate highways and headlines once again? Meet the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. A name from history, reimagined for the future. This is not just a concept, it's a statement. The first thing you'll notice is the aggressive, sleek silhouette. At the front, Volkswagen has ditched the traditional grille and replaced it with a fully enclosed black panel, possibly hinting at a full EV platform. The continuous LED strip light spans edge to edge, acting as both the DRL and main headlamp system, and gives this car an ultra-modern light bar look that's been trending across the EV market. Every single curve has been sculpted for aerodynamics, yet it still carries that smooth, rounded DNA that made the original Ghia an icon in the first place. Move to the rear and things get even more interesting. A minimalist rear light bar mirrors the front, but the real surprise is the dual exhaust setup, tucked into the diffuser. Yup, you heard that right. Despite its futuristic styling, this car might not be a pure electric. Sources say VW could offer both ICE and electric variants, meaning the Karmann Ghia is not just a nostalgia trip, but a bridge between old-school driving emotion and future-ready mobility. Below the VW logo, you'll see a script-style Karmann Ghia badge, just like the original. That small detail alone will make enthusiasts lose their minds. And then there's the interior. A full-on retro blast from the past. This orange leather cabin with chrome trim and analog gauges is unapologetically nostalgic. It's like Volkswagen found a time machine and brought the 60s right into 2026. The circular instrument cluster, the chrome 3-spoke steering wheel with the classic VW logo, the old-school radio knobs. Everything screams vintage, but it feels fresh and luxurious thanks to modern materials and build quality. It's rare to see a car today that goes this far in preserving its heritage. Most brands just toss in a badge or a line or two on the dashboard, but the Karmann Ghia 2026, it embraces its past with pride. The Karmann Ghia isn't just another retro revival. This car represents something deeper. It's about preserving souls in a world of silent electric motors and touchscreens. It's about emotion, connection, and heritage. For Volkswagen, this might be their boldest statement yet, that the future can still have character, curves, and charm. In a time when most modern cars are starting to look the same, the Karmann Ghia dares to be different. And that is exactly why it matters. What do you think of this legendary comeback? Is the 2026 Karmann Ghia a retro masterpiece, or just a nostalgic gimmick?